All right. Hello, everyone. So you have stopped at the Primplife merchandise button. And so Primplife merchandise is the tangible part of the Primplife plan. So even though the Primplife plan is a nonprofit at heart, we're using our comic and workshop series and curriculum guide to embrace the self-esteem and increase the confidence of young girls, especially young girls of color. We have a tangible way to do that as well. And so with Primplife merchandise, we have various products specifically catered to our audience that they will love and that will also help them to exude the confidence that we are trying to teach them through the Primplife Plan Workshop series. With that being said, we have t-shirts, apparel, Primp Girl cosplay, which is Primp Girl costumes for various age ranges, all the way from a baby to an adult. We also have our new product, Vegan Primp Gloss, which is a natural, all-natural plant-based lip gloss that we have launched. And we cater it toward young girls, but anyone can use it. I use it myself every day. This is Primplife Pink. But all of that entails Primplife LLC, which is the lifestyle brand part. And you can take part of any of these products by clicking Shop Now below. Thank you.